Hi, this is James for the OneDriver. In this short tutorial, I'll show you what a lesson is and how to complete it. So we're on the main dashboard view here. We scroll down and we'll select a topic. How about emergency response procedures? Click on the module tab, which opens up the lessons. So here you'll see that there are 4 different lessons with information on each one. This is an estimated amount of time it takes to complete the lesson. It doesn't matter if it's slightly over or under, it doesn't really make a difference. It's really just for guidance. Here you've got a level. So breakdown procedures is a level 4. Now what levels mean is they're structured between 1 and 10. The higher the level, in other words 7, 8, 9 or 10, the more advanced it is. And obviously the lower, 1, 2, 3 is more entry level, and 4, 5, 6 is medium level or professional level. The reason we have levels is because it helps users to understand the complexity of the content and for managers to then understand what the users are learning and how detailed it is. You'll also see there's a green CPC button here. For training providers, they can actually use some of our lessons, in this case, accident response and first aid basics, to apply under their own center with their own branding to the authorities. In other words, they can use these lessons to deliver commercial learning within the scope of driver CPC. Some countries allow 30-minute e-learning modules as part of the 12-hour allowance. Some don't. So it's always a good idea to check. But this is just something else that provides added value. And of course, at the end there, you've got points. This means how many points a user can achieve once they complete each lesson. So let's go ahead and open accident response and first aid basics. So you'll see that there is a download resource pack here, which again is white labeled for training providers, just for added value. And this is a level 8 lesson, which should take about 30 minutes. It starts with a video. Now this is an optional video. It's always a good idea to have a look at them. But they are YouTube videos, so it's important to say that you have to be connected to the internet in order to use our platform. Then you have the text, which we actually break up into very small chunks. So we've got 5 pages of text here. Users simply sort of make their way through. This obviously is quite a long module because it's 30 minutes. But they can do it at their own leisure, and they can obviously go forward and go back, and actually just if they're not sure about something, they can scroll back through the pages. But once they're happy and they're completed, they go down to the quiz. In this case, it's a 5-question quiz with a 70% or more pass rate. So click on Take Quiz, and you've got a multiple choice. Now, the way we structure the lessons is really 3 options: multiple choice, true or false, or yes, no answers. So for this one, I'm going to guess, total guess. Let's go for danger. Now, which is correct. Lucky guess. So if it's a correct answer, obviously it lights up green, and you get additional content or information here to emphasize the point. Go to the next question. Should move a casualty away from a crashed vehicle as quickly as possible. Well, that makes sense to me. So let's say true. Oh, it's not. It's false. So there you go. There's an explanation as why that is false. Question number 3. When dealing with severe bleeding at an accident scene, what is the correct immediate action? Okay, should we go for, what should we do? Should we try B? Yes, that's correct. And the next question is a true false. Can you call 112 from a mobile phone that has no SIM card or signal credit? I'm guessing yes. You can, which is excellent. And the final question, I believe, yeah, 5 of 5. What should you not do when you arrive first at a serious road accident scene? Let's say B, which is also correct. So once you've gone through the quiz, you'll get a tab showing view results. You click on that, and I've passed, which is excellent. Excuse me. I have a best rate of 80%. I can retake it if I want to and try and get 100%, but in this case, I'm not going to. I've got a green tick that's showed me that I've passed it, and the certificate of completion has appeared. So I'm going to download that. And there it is. So it gives you the information who you are, it shows you the module and the lesson here, and the difficulty level and the date of issue, a unique ID, and all the certificates do have the unique ID, and just a signature there.